Okay, I think he's probably going to like it. Most kitties do. So anyway,
Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Okay, hey, before you start,
Okay.
This is a class 4 therapeutic laser. This is not the type of laser that does any kind of cutting or searing. It's used for therapy. It is FDA approved now. We've had, I think, some pretty decent and reasonable successes with it, treating osteoarthritis in older animals. We've also found that there's a pretty great benefit in helping wounds to heal on occasion, too. Anyway, this is Cody. This is one of our clinic cats. He is very elderly. We're not sure because it was a stray. We're not quite sure how old he is, but we do believe he's probably around 13 or 14 years old. He does have osteoarthritis, particularly in his hip joints. We've got him on several types of medication that help him. He does pretty well in getting around. This is going to be his first laser treatment. Some kitties are not totally amenable to this because it involves some rubbing. But we're getting close to dinner time, so hopefully Cody's going to be real cool. So again, Catherine, our vet tech, is going to be doing his right hip. We're all shielding our eyes because of reflections. I'm shielding Cody's face a little bit. If we were going to use the therapeutic laser around the front part, around his neck, or perhaps his shoulders or elbows, where he might be, his eyes might be exposed a little bit to some of the laser light, we would actually put a little, like a black mask over his head, which he really hates. So here we go, Kath, you're going to do his hips.
Yes.
The laser's set up. It has a computerized algorithm in it that's set up for Cody's body weight, his skin color, and of course the condition we're treating for. All right, Kath, you ready? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. It's actually emitting laser light right now. It's an invisible light. If you notice that there's some red light appearing, that is simply our guide beam. The type of laser that's producing the light, or the laser light that's being produced actually by the diodes, is invisible to the human eye. Some types of digital photography will actually pick it up, which makes it look very, very eerie. We'll see whether our webmaster's camera, we'll see whether Dave's camera does the job when we review these films. Anyway, Cody's doing really well with this. It feels a little warm to them when you're doing it, so it's kind of like getting a warm massage. This thing, if used by people the machine, if used by people who are not familiar and have not had proper training, can actually cause some damage. I mean, this is not a low-powered laser. This is a high-powered class 4 laser. I know, Coach. It's all right, brother. It's all right, big man. Attaboy.
Yes, he's been good.
And we have seen on a number of occasions where particularly an older dog, a very large dog, can come in with a pronounced limp and after a treatment actually at exit leave the clinic actually feeling, I won't say rejuvenated, but certainly feeling a lot better than when he came in. So we view the laser as an adjunct to traditional therapy. I do not view the therapeutic laser as a primary therapy, but we view it as a help to a great many of our patients, in addition to more traditional veterinary treatments. You a good cat? You're being a very good cat, aren't you?
How long do you do it?
This one, Dave, is going to go. It's measured by the amount of actual light intensity or light measurement. They're called joules. It's actually placed into the body. The computer does that for us.
Okay.
It gives us a set amount of time. I believe we started at 2 minutes and 20 seconds, something like that. We're down to below a minute now. And if we stop for just a minute, I can feel that Cody, it's a little warm, but it's not hot. And if he's fussing right now, it's because he's Cody and he fusses.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go, little guy. You ready for
Yes.
dinner? Huh? I think so. Okay, all right. Sometimes they're a lot longer than that if we're doing anything that basically that's geared towards wound healing, well, and those are generally much longer treatments, maybe up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes sometimes at a time. But most of the joint treatments, especially for smaller animals, are over with in just 2 to 4 minutes. So there you go.